everyone. My name is Miss Jordan, and today I'm going to show you a song called Rub-a-Dub-Dub, and it goes like this. Rub-a-dub-dub, one baby in the tub. Tell me, what do you see? One foot with toes, a hand, a nose, as clean as they can be. Yay!
Hello, I'm Miss Becca, and I'm going to show you a scarf song. It's to the tune of Wheels on the Bus, and it's called This Is the Way We Wash Our Hands. It goes like this. This is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our hair, wash our hair, wash our hair. This is the way we wash our hair so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our toes, wash our toes, wash our toes. This is the way we wash our toes so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our arms, wash our arms, wash our arms. This is the way we wash our arms so early in the morning.
Hi, we have a cute lap bounce and lift, and this is a really good one to do even at bath time. It's called I Wish I Were a Little Bar of Soap. Oh, I wish I were a little bar of soap, bar of soap. Oh, I wish I were a little bar of soap, bar of soap. I'd go slippy, I'd go slidey over everybody's hidey. Oh, I wish I were a little bar of soap, bar of soap.